You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. These words, yes, they have different meanings, different pronunciations as well. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned, there are more videos for you. The top word here is pronounced ground. Ound. Alright, it starts with an A sound. Ound. Ground. The ground. This is the floor, the earth, the ground. Base level, ground. The bottom word is grind. So it's an eind sound. Grind. So ound is for the ground. Ound. Eind is for the grind. Ground, grind, ground, grind. Can you hear the difference? It's quite subtle. I mean, it's quite obvious, but subtle at the same time. Can you hear the difference? Can you pronounce those correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.